The Lyceum Philippines University Davao campus is now ready for the opening of school year 2022-2023. This after LPU President Peter Laurel visited the campus last week to personally oversee the facilities, equipment, and held meetings with the professors and non-teaching personnel. According to LPU President Laurel,
we are going to be ready when we open school. It will be a hybrid model. Ibig sabihin, may online, at the same time, may face-to-face, particularly for laboratory subjects. Yung kailangan i-demonstrate yung skills and competence, as well as certain subjects, especially the professional subjects. So it will be the best of both worlds, both the face-to-face and a online. So magiging hybrid model.
the LPU Davao campus is a showcase of the quality education which the institution is proud of.
Give to the island of Mindanao the level of quality of education. Kasi we see that our Vice President is now also a former mayor of Davao. We see na Davao will continue to play an important role all over the Philippines, and we hope to be part of the growth of Mindanao through Davao City.
High quality and affordable education is now in the island of Mindanao. Mindanao students need not go to Manila to enroll the courses they desire because LPU Davao has it all.
And we're inviting those in the island of Mindanao that we're going to have our graduation on July 22. It's one of our, one of the batches that we're very proud to have had. And we want to demonstrate to all people, for the peoples of Mindanao, that right here in the city of Davao, we have a very good school. Okay? It's not cheap, but it's not also very expensive. And yet we'll have the quality, the facilities. We invite them to come to see for themselves and see what LPU Davao has to offer the island of Mindanao. Eventually, we would like to put up a Duterte School of Public Administration. If there is a Kennedy School in Harvard, we would like to have our own Duterte School in LPU Davao because we are from Davao, the school is here. So we would like to demonstrate the excellence, not just of our products, but of our outstanding students, to demonstrate that right here in the city of Davao, many things are possible, many good things are coming. We feel that the economy will be opening up this coming year. I mean, in some way, because of the oil prices, there is a lot of difficulties. The war in Ukraine, the Taiwan issue, all of these things are concerning. But yet we look to the future with optimism that despite the difficulties, that positive mindset, that we will be able to make sure that learning still continues during a time of pandemic. And despite difficulties, we are optimistic about the future of Davao City and, in fact, the entire Philippines.
The LPU brand of excellence is the strength of the university, and it is now here in Mindanao. The LPU Davao is equipped with the facilities and amenities conducive to teaching and learning process. Laurel is proud that former President Rodrigo Duterte is an alumnus of LPU Manila who hails from Davao City. Edith Kadoaya, News 10 Philippines. Stay safe!